Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw language in English. Today we are going to continue to learn the imperatives, daily useful imperative clauses to part 2 in this lesson. Thank you for joining with me and my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Easy Learning Kachin Language. My name is Miss Bokraglatkla, freelance language teacher. Yong with your kamjangao ka, the YouTube channel tha, ngay te rao, matut na, Shangun, hkringdat, gayandoni, pe, do lokong kuna, matut na kajalaga. We will learn the imperatives with do, the negative imperatives and imperatives with let's enjoy learning together. This slide is to warm up the imperative of last lesson. I recommend you to check my YouTube channel, lesson 16. Okay, let's practice again. Eat. In Kachin Jinghpaw, you have to say sha u. Imperative clause, be quiet, you have to say zimu. In English, you just omit not using to make the imperative. However, the imperative in Kachin Jinghpaw language has a lot of possibility. As you see here, ending with u, mu, snu, up to you, u. Those are the imperative possibility in Kachin Jinghpaw language. Let's learn the imperative with do. Do is the auxiliary verb. Using do makes an imperative sound more polite and more formal. Let's look at the sentence. Do take a seat. In Kachin Jinghpaw, pungkum ta dunga. Without do, if you say take a seat, it will be in Kachin Jinghpaw, pungkum ta dung u. Command. You command to other people. Do take a seat, pungkum ta dunga. Very formal way. Let me explain a bit in Kachin Jinghpaw. Ingligata, do take a seat nguna sunyango. Mishagabani pe mai shikai. Grau kungala rare kuna sunchkai kure. Pungkum ta dunga ngwe lechumre. Okay, let's practice the daily imperative clauses with do from this slide. Start, pang u. Do start, sha pang zaga. Do start dinner, shana shat sha pang zaga. Do start dinner, shana shat sha pang zaga. Try, shukut u. Do try, shukut you le. Do try it again. Bai shukut you le. Do try it again. Bai shukut you le. Forgive, mara rodat ya u. Do forgive, mara rodat ya read. Do forgive me. Ngai pe mara rodat ya read. Do forgive me. Ngai pe mara rodat ya read. You can even pray this sentence to God. So formal. Let's learn and practice the negative imperative from this slide. In English, the pattern do not follows the base form of a verb is the formal style. If you use the contractions don't, follows the base form of a verb is informal and speaking style. In Kachin Jinghpaw, you have to use the word kum. Let's see the given sentences. Use in Kachin Jinghpaw lang u. Do not use. Don't use. In Kachin Jinghpaw, kum lang. In Kachin Jinghpaw, kum lang. Using kum is for both formal and informal. Let's see the sentence. Do not use this lift. Formal. Dai dat lekang pe kum lang. If you say don't use this lift, informal. In Kachin Jinghpaw, dai dat lekang pe kum lang. Let me repeat again. Do not use this lift. Dai dat lekang pe kum lang. Don't use this lift. Dai dat lekang pe kum lang. Go. Sa u. Don't go. Kum sa. Don't go there. Dai de kum sa. Don't go there. Dai de kum sa. Consume. Jai lang u. Sha u. Don't consume. Kum jai lang. Kum sha. You can use one of them. I will use kum sha for this sentence. Don't consume drugs. Nang pam si mulu mishani pe kum sha. Don't consume drugs. Nang pam si mulu mishani pe kum sha. Put. Don u. Da u. Don da u. Don't put. Kum don. Kum da. Kum don da. I will use kum don da for the sentence. Don't put cell phone next to you while you sleep. Nang yu pai ten tha sumbu phone phe na makau e kum ton da. Don't put cell phone next to you while you sleep. Nang yu pai ten tha sumbu phone phe na makau e kum ton da. Don't be late. Kumpang krat. Don't be late. Kumpang krat yo. Don't be late. Kumpang krat yo. From this slide, we are going to learn and practice the imperative with letters. The contraction is let's. Cook. Shdu u. Letters. Let's cook. Shdu ga. Shdu ga. Let's cook dinner together. Shna shat rao shdu ga. Let's cook dinner together. Shna shat rao shdu ga. Cook. Shdu u. Gujong u. Shdu gujong u. Let's cook. Shdu ga. Shdu ga. Let's cook spaghetti. Spaghetti shdu ga. Let's cook spaghetti. Spaghetti shdu ga. Eat. Sha u. Let's eat. Sha ga. Sha ga. Dinner is ready. Let's eat now. Shna shat jin sai. Ya sha ga. Dinner is ready. Let's eat now. Shna shat jin sai. Ya sha ga. Have. Sha u. Lu u. Let's have. Sha ga. Sha ga. Let's have. Lu ga. Lu ga. Let's have dessert. Dwipa Lusha Shazaga. Let's have coffee. Kafi Luzaga. Let me repeat again. Let's have dessert. Dwipa Lusha Shazaga. Let's have a coffee. Kafi Luzaga. Let's go to bed. Yupra Shang Saga. Let's go to bed. Yupra Shang Saga. Let's pray. Akyupi Saga. Let's pray before we sleep. Shana Yup Akyupi Saga. Let's pray before we sleep. Shana Yup Akyupi Saga. We are going to learn the negative imperative of let's from this slide. To lock, la I, la na, la. Tone is low pitch and short. Let's not forget, mlabka. Let's not forget to lock, la na, mlabka. Let's not forget to lock the door. Jinghpaw la na mlabka. Let's not forget to lock the door. Jinghpaw la na mlabka. To take, la I, la na. This time, la tone is high pitch and long. Just keep in mind that the Kachin Jinghpaw language is phonetic language, so you will see exact reading words. However, different tones give different meaning. From previous slide, you have learned to lock, that is la I. Here you see to take, la I, la na. Let's not forget, mlabka. Let's not forget to take, la na mlabka. Let's not forget to take the key, so si la na mlabka. Let's not forget to take the key, so si la na mlabka. Here we are going to learn to wait. To wait. La I, la na, la. Tone is low pitch but long. Let me repeat again. To wait. La I, la na. Let's not forget, mlabka. Let's not forget to wait for somebody. La na mlabka. Let's not forget to wait for him. She pet la na mlabka. Let's not forget to wait for him. She pet la na mlabka. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you have any questions, comments, and suggestions, please drop here. Thank you for your subscribe, share, and like my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Easy Learning Kachin Language. Thank you very much. Rai Jeju Gubasai yo.